Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating the Z Flip 6. This fixes background drain and gives power optimizations. Once done, open settings and enable adaptive battery so the phone limits rarely used apps. Make sure to check the app battery chart and force stop or uninstall abusers. Next, reduce display refresh to 60 Hz if you need instant savings. Otherwise, keep 120 Hz adaptive for balance. These initial steps cut significant drain quickly and prepare the device for deeper tweaks. Now you tighten mid-level settings that matter most during the day. First, set restrictive background activity for heavy apps and enable deep sleep where supported. This prevents constant wake locks. Then, disable always on display or schedule it to turn off overnight to save percent points. Also prefer Wi-Fi over cellular for data. When stationary, switch off Bluetooth, NFC, and precise GPS. These changes may alter notifications briefly, so monitor for missed alerts and adjust app exceptions as needed. Finish with automation and a sanity check. Enable battery saver or create a custom routine that kicks in at 20% and dims brightness, limits CPU, and blocks background sync. Calibrate battery monthly by charging to 100%, then using it down to near zero once. This refines reporting. If drain still persists, boot to safe mode to isolate apps, then reset app preferences, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset. This troubleshooting path isolates software causes before you consider hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.